Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the old phone. Charge it and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Sign into the same Google account you plan to use on your new device so photos land in one library. Open Google Photos, go to Settings, and enable Backup and Sync. This uploads originals to the cloud. Once done, watch the upload status. Large libraries take hours, so plug in and leave the screen on, or set unrestricted background activity to ensure everything finishes without pausing. Now verify the upload and perform the actual transfer steps. On the old phone, confirm backup complete in Google Photos. If items remain, open the app and force a manual backup by tapping Upload Now. Once uploaded, sign into the same account on your new phone and sync. Photos will appear automatically. If you prefer local copy, use Download from Photos. Google, COM or transfer with a cable. Make sure albums, videos, and timestamps match. This avoids duplicate or missing items later. Finish by confirming everything is present and organized on your new phone. Scan albums and random photos to ensure quality and correct dates. Check Google account storage to avoid sync pauses. If something is missing, inspect device folders in Google Photos and re-enable folder backup or manually upload missing files. Once satisfied, remove your Google account from the old phone or perform a factory reset after backing up SMS and contacts. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads stall, clear app cache, update Google Photos, and retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.